Channel organized by Darcy, where we take it and make it elegant. Today's video is in collab with Victoria from Victoria's Creation, and I'll have her information listed in the description bar below. Let's get started. Victoria has asked that we list 3 frugal tips for spring cleaning. Here are my 3. Tip number 1 is don't procrastinate. The weather is good, so let's get started. First tip is to put all your cleaning products in a bucket or 2 or a container or 2. These 2 containers here were purchased at the 99-cent store, and so I keep all my cleaning goods in here. Tip number 2 is declutter before you clean. Do 1 room, 2 rooms, or as many as you like, but get rid of the items that you don't need before you start cleaning. And tip number 3 is, for example, the pantry. If you're doing that, get yourself some containers. I've purchased some from the 99-cent store and also some from the dollar store. I'm doing a separate video on that later on, and that will show you how I've reorganized my pantry with dollar store finds. Again, let me know in the description box below, or in the comments rather below, what area of your home that you enjoy doing your spring cleaning. Is it the bathroom, the bedroom, the kitchen, or whatever area? Just let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And again, if you like this video and you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, make your comments, and really look forward to seeing you in my next video. And of course, the next video is going to be on my pantry reorganization, and I'm really looking forward to that, and I hope you are too. Goodbye and good luck.